Unfortunately not. I like it all.
For me, I have not found until now. I enjoy it.
By food, no.
Nothing really. Not very picky.
Not actually. I'm a guy who loves all type of food.
No, I like food, so I enjoy eating, but I like some food more than the others.
Let me think. I think we are not familiar with your yogurt drink. It's a little bit salty and like hot, you know, not like ours.
Here? No. If I go somewhere, I would like to eat local. And the experiences that I had here in traditional restaurants were very nice. Very nice. No bad experiences at all.
No, many food I like. The yogurt, the fruit, and many.
I haven't encountered yet.